Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and welcome back to another Lego video. Today, we are going to be looking at a polybag set. I have here still yet the polybag. This one is number 30403 from, you see, Lego Friends, and it was released in 2018. And knowing me, I like to build the stuff that comes out of polybag. So we're going to be building the polybag today, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along. So feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. You know what I like about this is that the instruction booklet has this light pink for the pages. But anyway, let's just get started. So first of all, we need to create the mini doll over here, which I believe is called Olivia. I might get that wrong. So we need to stick her pieces together. She has a smiley face over there with some... Is that sort of silvery blue glasses on there? Okay, so there we go. We've made her, and we need this little handheld radio over here, a little maybe a remote control with a little receiver. It does look like on the picture of this set that this will be remote controlling a boat. Now the next thing that we need to make is a little lily pad. So we're going to be using this inverted round tile and this 2x2 base plate. This round green base plate, that's our lily pad, and we also get this nice little pink flower that we can stick here in the middle like this. So there we have a nice spinny little lily pad. Okay, so now we need to make the base for our sailboat to spin around in. So first of all, we need to stick these two pieces together because this is a a spinning base plate with a white base and a grey top, and we need to get this 6x6 blue base plate. We're just going to stick the spinning base plate in the middle like this. I suppose this is going to represent our water. Now we need another 2x2 round base plate, but in light blue. Is here light blue, spins around nice and freely, and we need this octagonal 8-handled base plate in white. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to create our sailboat. So first of all, we'll need this 1x2 base plate with a clip attached to the side, and we need these inverted slope pieces, one underneath each section over here. That's our sailboat starting to take shape. Now we need this light yellow tile here in the middle, and on both sides of the boat we'll need these white clip pieces, one here and one there, like so, and we need this 4 long grey bar attaching them two together. And we'll also need this slanted flag piece as well with these clips. Just stick it onto the bar like here. That's a clever little way of attaching the sail, I must say. And we bring back our base over here and stick the sailboat into one of the handles. There's just about one last thing that we need to do, and that's to attach the flag. So first of all, we'll need this 6 long brown bar, and on top of it we're going to attach this little pink flag piece, just like this, nice pretty pink flag, and the top of the flag will consist of this small round stud. This one has a hole going down the middle, and on top of that a round tile also in white. Stick that on top like so, and then we need to stick that on top like this. Just push it down all the way that we need to. Stick the flag over here, and bring back the rest that we get here in this set, and there we've done it. So there we have it. Our nice little build is complete. A very nice small build this, and as you can see, we just need to spin this flag piece around, and the boat is sailing in circles. And we have Olivia here as well, who's also piloting the boat, and we have this nice little build over here. Nice little lily pad that can just move around wherever it's like, hey, we're playing hockey now. This set has turned into a hockey playing set that's just bouncing off my stomach over there. But anyway, that's the end of our video. So I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!